Ka Bureau jong ka Indian Standards, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution jong Sarkar India rengkat bat ka District Rural Development Agency, Southwest Coast District, lembat ka Office jong Block Development Officer, mau kerwat CNRD Block kila penlong yak program ban pensngau tu paidbah halor kumno ban tip ban ithuh ikimar kimata kibathok bat kibashisha nadu kimarbam mardi kitiar bat kiwei de. Ya ketai ke program la penlong ha conference hall jong ka office jong BDO makrwat CNRD ha ka ba kinongwan ni simenta kilong nadu kinong eram sinong na keleng ki jaka jong ka makrwat ha kini kesngi kibalawan ban pensyai kilong da usubham sanu bat ka barisha GOT Baisia kibadai ki standard promotion consultant ka BIS ha ka jingdon lang uba kis naitang district program manager jong ka DRDA bat kiwei. Habakren hakilat pathai kubor hadin ke jingpen syai paidbah ka barisha GOT Baisia kibadai ki standard promotion consultant ka BIS kalaong ba kum kini ki judge program kilong ki badon kam bat kongsan ha kini ka juk ka bamenta babun na ki marthok ki jur ha ki yau ki hat ba ki paidbah ki don kam ban husiar bat ban tip ikitiar ki bashisha bat ki bathok lang ba ki hallmark lani ki license number bat ki wei. Kalau ongru bak jingtmu jong ketai ke program kalong ban ai jinghikai ki paidbah bakim dai ban ngop haki marthok hanrei ki dai ban tip ya ka hok jong ki bat ka jinglong tikna ki mar ki mata ki ba ki ten.
Nadu ki ni ki madam wan ko buati ki sir nanta ki biwalang bat ni ki ko office madam ko civil supply nanta food civil supply ki sar badan ni ko mo problem jumlah engineer madana BIS Konglomerat di Planning Training Manager, sisi pengusahaan atau juki staff jangka blok untuk PTA dan tadi BFD dan kadang panggil port dan tadi jumpi nong kita snow buat di nong train port skip dan skip ini kau terpang tan nong tak kata kan ini beribu semula di ban orang kau yang berkuat nama apa juga sekam ya deh ini terkadang orang dan kita juga related dengan ini program dengan BIS berdebat ke Indian Standards bah kali ke subjek ke bagi siapa menekran ke sini kalau kepang baitang dan teman-teman kumno bagi dia orang penkam ya kita lani kumno bagi lek kita tong ban check kenapa ngin yo original quality mau coding bagi ke bana kalian jom ke Sarkar India telah prescribe bah ke Banten kind of verification dari kerja pensisa ye originality ke jinglong sisa jong ketia kata bagi ten tinggal kampung ni kini kinong ai training kesir ba pin kampan dan tadi juga di bagi adai ki bagi implement snow di government program pada deka jongkan food civil supplies lari la kalong ida sinadi scheme ni kum kinong tre snow ni dan sibun ki tiar bagi tet la kalong simen la kalong ki home batwe ki wen ni kwa ba kini ki priu kin ikai nagamanta kataka rekom kena bagi dia orang check kalau nak buat application bagi kiwe buat scan bagi long MQ original kalau fit buat penkam bagi kita tertentu kita ngai haki bagi patai yang bahasa Indonesia and Mr. Kosik atas bawah dia from BIS Guwahati coming all the way from Guwahati we have this training program or kind of workshop that has been arranged by the district along with the block of Makurwat. So we have been inviting other departments also, including food and civil supplies. Madam Inspector is here with us right now, and from Inspector of Legal Metrology, maybe he might be joining us later also, that we don't know. We have right now EPO from Makurwat Sinari Block, Madam Nongsi, or Planning and Training Manager from DRDA, from Malari, or staff from Makurwat Sinari Block, including Block Technical Assistance of MGRGA. BTA of PMEYG, we have called skill mission or skill mysteries working on the MGRG and then on the PMEYG and some other representatives from all the villages. Some of the villages have been invited. So we also fortunate to have our assistant engineer right now with us. He is very new, just joined our department.
certify kaniga ayun program dasi kapinangin kita meeting. Siya may kaniga lat kakabu ba niyo training dasi habar di Bureau of Indian Standards. Te gidan ki engagement toy mapiniyo na kaniga training. Te baro ki technical assistant ki barefoot technicians namta ki VC secretary ki skill ki semi skill baro ki mason trainers ki mo baro siya may kaniga lat kabu na dan ki iba pipo betul. So baham nya kalibinya namar baba sisi kilale kini lasan jara ni berpakta si batayo pi di dalam film sungtu yang iba kali ini ke iba pipo aban ya mo kenapa ni yok video jumut namar it's such an opportunity for us, a great opportunity for us to have such a training ketika kamu yang ni yok ketika lat ke training bawa anak po ketika institution jengki di tangkatahi nak hanya
So, 1 घंटा ही होगा program. I think I don't know the Khasi language, so I will try to speak in English. And if any doubt you have got, you can ask. Yeah, those who doesn't understand, you can tell to sir. Sir will communicate to us. So, in this training program, basically we will tell you about the product quality of the products, the products which you all are purchasing from the market. That product is genuine or fake. You will come to know today in this session live. We will give you the live demonstration. Already sir have told that quality of cement, I think sir you have mentioned, to syntax, PVC pipe, fertilizers, water bottle, packaged drinking water, always we used to get 10 rupees packaged drinking water, right? But that water is good for our health or not, you can check it live. That license is valid or not, you can check it on the spot. And after that, if the license is not valid, you can give the complaint also to the Consumer Affairs Department. So these things we will give you today. So for that we required actually a presentation. But before having the presentation, Varsha will graduate engineer of BIS Guwahati, and I'm looking after the mechanical department. Already, I think few of you have some questions regarding mechanical things also. Already we have got the information from sir, communicated with Varsha. So also along with me, Varsha is she is looking after the standard promotion activities as well as the everything regarding quality with all the training programs. So on behalf of BIS Guwahati, we welcome you for this training program. So before starting this training program, we would like to felicitate with a Fulam Gamusa.
So basically in today's program, the sensitization of Gram Panchayat in Southwest Khasi Hills. So with this program from our Bureau of Indian Standards under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, what our motto was to aware the people of the village panchayats, to make them aware about real and fake ISI marks and how they can distinguish themselves and save themselves in the market from real mark and real ISI mark and fake ISI mark. So the process is that when you get to know what is a fake ISI mark and real ISI mark, the question arises that how they can distinguish it. So for that, our Bureau of Indian Standards along with Ministry of Consumer Affairs, we have launched one application, that is BIS Care app. So with this application, they can simply at the comfort of their home, they can verify a real ISI mark product, a hallmark product that gold jewelry pertains, and also many other products like electronic product for CRS. So for using this application, they don't have to pay any money in registration and anything. They can simply go to their Play Store, and for iPhone users, they can go to their App Store and they can simply download the application. And by using this application, they can simply verify which is a real ISI product and which is a fake ISI product. So basically the question is like why people will download. So mostly whenever like the thing is now why people will download the application, the question here is like the download, when they download this application na, it is for their benefit only. It doesn't benefit us, but it benefit them to be a aware consumer, to be a consumer who knows his rights and how they can file complaint. In this application, like a option is there to file a complaint, and if they don't want to like proceed to the application for filing a complaint, they can simply get the phone numbers that we have provided in the calendars that we distributed today. They can simply ring us up and call us up and know the process of how they can already register a complaint to the fake ISI product that they have got from the market. And while registering a complaint, most sometimes the consumer becomes conscious that if their identity will be revealed or not. But the case is that only BIS will know their identity, and the company or the product from where they have filed a complaint, they will not know who is the person who have filed the complaint, so they will be completely anonymous to that company. And in this today's program, we have also given them information regarding what is Bureau of Indian Standard and what are the different certifications and mandatory product that comes under BIS, and also what are the voluntary products which they can look after if ISI mark is there or not.